What up guys, gals, and those in between? Today on Bachelor on a Budget, we are making yam and bean burritos. This is going to be delicious and affordable. Let's go. For our ingredients, we got a can of black beans drained, 1 onion chopped, a large yam, super large yam that I threw in the Instant Pot and cooked that for 20 minutes in the Instant Pot, not even. You can also bake this for 45 minutes, and it's really easy to double this batch if you want to. We got some spices, some cumin, garlic powder, paprika. If you got a great chili powder mix, Mexican chili powder mix, that will work perfect as well. We're gonna garnish with some avocado, of course, cilantro if I had it, and some oil to fry it up. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna need a big pan. Let's get that on a medium high. When that's nice and hot, we got a couple tablespoons of oil. Use any high smoke point oil. I got some grapeseed. The oil is hot, let's get in our onions. I got an optional jalapeno. I had some leftover, but it's pretty amazing for just adding some nice flavor and spice, of course, and beans. Next we have some cumin, paprika, garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you want. If you want some extra kick and flavor, chili powder. And about a teaspoon of salt. My heaping teaspoons. Mix that all around. And finally, for cooked ingredients, our yam. I just kind of roughly chop that up. I mean, we can fry it a little bit for some extra flavor, but still gonna break down. Oh, I'm getting the jalapenos. Oh, smoke myself. Give that a taste. It's pretty good for spice. That's pretty solid. Remember, it's a lot easier to add more spice than take it away. That's done. Off to eat. Set your oven to your lowest temperature. We're just going to warm up our tortillas, which I already have 2 in there. You just want these to be malleable. You don't want them to bake. Just a bit longer. Let's assemble. It's gonna be super easy. We got our yam mixture. Good burrito size. Let's get our avocado on there. And I got some vegan sour cream, which I'll just kind of smear on there. This brand is Tofuti. And if you got it and you want to be a little extra, I got some vegan cheese. If you got some cilantro, amazing. I got parsley. It'll do. Oh my goodness, almost forgot. How could we forget salsa? Let's give this a taste. That's delicious. I almost did that the fake Justin Bieber style. That's how you do burrito, right? From the middle? That is unreal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, watch more videos. I'm out.